This is a very special occasion. I think, Goans and Goa is blessed to be hosting the exposition this year, that is the year 2024. I must compliment both the institution of the church as well as the government of Goa for having such wonderful arrangements. It was really eye-opening for us to see the way the crowds have been managed, the way the process is so smooth that I think, each person who comes here for the blessings of the Lord will feel blessed. And I just hope that, Goa continues to prosper under all religions. The speciality of Goa, or the moral fabric is Goa, is that all of us has been living together. And with the blessings of the Lord, I think, Goans should continue to do that. And I think prosperity of Goa will come only if all of us are united. So my best wishes both to the government of Goa and to the Goa diocesan and as well as the Goa church for continuing with the good work that they have been doing. And once again, thank you on behalf of myself, also the Honorary Consulate of Italy, and my wife. I must thank all of you for giving this wonderful opportunity to us.
It's been a spiritually fulfilling, blessed day for all of us here today. And I must compliment everyone, the church authorities, the government of Goa, and of course, the locals as well, for this meticulous planning. It's been amazing collaborative efforts by everyone here. And may God bless everyone, and best wishes on St. Francis Xavier's Exposition to everyone. Thank you.